How to drop rows of Pandas DataFrame whose value in a certain column is NaN. I have this data frame and want only the records whose EPS column is not NaN. i.e. something like df.drop ... to get this resulting data frame. How do I do that?
Don't drop, just take the rows where EPS is not NaN.
This question is already resolved, but also consider the solution suggested by Wouter in his original comment. The ability to handle missing data, including dropNA, is built into Pandas explicitly. Aside from potentially improved performance over doing it manually, these functions also come with a variety of options which may be useful. There are also other options, see docs at this URL, including dropping columns instead of rows. Pretty handy.
I know this has already been answered, but just for the sake of a purely Pandas solution to this specific question as opposed to the general description from Aman, which was wonderful, and in case anyone else happens upon this.
You can use this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.